All right, welcome back to another review. This one's going to be for a Spigen Tough Armor MagSafe S24 Ultra. If you haven't seen it already, we did a review for the regular Spigen S24 Ultra case. We love these Spigen Tough Armor. We put them on at least half a dozen of our devices over 5-6 years, and these things keep our devices super safe and looking in pristine condition, so when we trade them in, they look brand new. So this particular Spigen review, after we saw that they had the Tough Armor with the MagSafe ability, we thought we'd give these a try. Some of our users use the Apple phones and they have the MagSafe chargers, and so far we haven't had the ability to use them with our Galaxy devices. We've tried a few magnet clip-ons. Some people manufacture magnets that clip on the back of phone cases or go under your phone cases so that you can attach the MagSafe accessories, but in the past those just were not reliable, they weren't strong. This particular Spigen case has a few of these magnets built in the case. Let me take it off for you and show you. So here's what the inside of the device looks like. You can see it's got the MagSafe magnets right there, and if you pop off the back of the phone case, because this is a two-piece case, that's a nice soft rubber, gives it a rubbery feel, kind of soft. And this outside nice solid plastic is where they put the Spigen magnets. You can see the Spigen magnets right there. So when you're assembling this case, I found it easiest if you take the two pieces apart and slip your phone inside the soft rubber first, and then you take your hard plastic, slip it right over, everything snaps, and boom, your device is protected. What's cool about these Spigen Tough Armors, also mentioned in the other video, is it's got that little kickstand. Kickstand it up so you can watch your videos, your movies, podcasts, whatever it is you watch. So before we get to the MagSafe, let's talk about something else. These are the buttons on the side for our Galaxy S24. The power button is ridged. You can feel that when it's in your pocket. You can have your eyes closed. You don't have to be looking at your device, and you can feel those ridges because it's the only place on the phone case that's ribbed. You can feel the rib, and also your phone, the next button up, it's got some texture to it. The minus button, that's going to be your volume down, the next one up. You can feel the difference in the buttons because there's little lines and cuts in the rubber, but it's really convenient that you can differentiate these buttons on the side. It also has your cutouts for USB-C, your speaker microphone, and your S Pen. All right. Speaking of S Pen, previous MagSafe cases with Samsung devices had interference between the magnetic field of the S Pen, supposedly. I never got to try it. However, I did see some demos where it would create gaps in the writing with your S Pen where the magnet interfered. So as you can see, this is near field. My S Pen isn't touching the screen and the menu's coming up. And also in landscape mode, that's near field, no problem with near field. And now I'm going to scribble scrabble on the screen and show you there are no gaps within the S Pen here all around the magnet. This is the magnetic field. You can see I'm doing scribble scrabble. This is all one big scribble scrabble, and there are no gaps in the scribble scrabble. So your S Pen works great with the MagSafe case. You can see it here, no problems. Let's get on with it. Super fun fact, Spigen case protects all of your cameras. Some manufacturers just have one big cutout for all 5 of these lenses. However, Spigen, you can see, wraps around all of them nice and neat, allows you to use your flashlight, flash, focus, and so forth. Now to the magnet. This is what everybody's been waiting for. How does it work? That's it. And actually, this little charger just detected it was plugged onto my phone, so now it's charging. How powerful is it? Well, these S24 Ultras are pretty heavy. That's how good the grip is. Look, my phone's charging. Yeehaw. This grip, man, that's awesome. If you just kept this in your pocket, without a doubt, it would stay clipped together. We haven't used the money clip or a dash clamp for your car yet. Without a doubt, this would hang out on your car, no problem with a MagSafe clamp. And the wallet, it would keep your stuff attached to your phone too. we're going to explore those options here in the near future. But what we had on hand in the office were these MagSafe batteries, and man, I had to beat it off. That's how strong these magnets are. So, Spigen Tough Armor MagSafe case. We're going to add these to our repertoire. We're also going to keep some of the regular Spigens around too that don't need magnets for running inventory and whatnot. But for these phones that we need magnetic charging, this is going to be our case. Thanks, Spigen, for making such a tough case, and look forward to a long relationship of keeping our phones safe. And lastly, I purchased this item on my own to use and enjoy. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe. If you'd like to purchase this item, I have a link in the description.